Hello everybody. Welcome to our channel PMN Online. Here I will show you how to get Semrush Premium for free. If you're a digital marketing enthusiast or a professional in the field, you probably know how invaluable a tool like Semrush can be. It's a powerful platform packed with countless analytics and insights that can significantly boost your online presence. However, the premium features come with a cost, which might not be feasible for everyone. But don't worry, today I'm going to walk you through the process of accessing these premium features without spending any money by using Semrush's free trial offers. These trials usually last between 7 to 14 days, giving you plenty of time to explore and make the most of the platform's capabilities. Let's dive right into the step-by-step process. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you frequently use. It's a simple step, but it's important to ensure your browser is up to date to guarantee the best possible user experience and seamless operation. With your browser open, navigate to the search bar. Here, type in Semrush and press enter. This action will generate a list of search results. What you're aiming for is the official Semrush website, which should appear as one of the top results. Clicking on this link will direct you straight to their homepage. Once you arrive at their homepage, you'll notice a range of options and information about the various services they offer. Your focus should be on finding a button that says, Try for free. This button is usually highlighted or strategically placed because Semrush wants to encourage new users to experience their service before committing to a subscription. Clicking on the Try for Free button is your next step. This action initiates the process of setting up your free trial account. You will then be prompted to enter your registration details. You have the flexibility to either manually input your email address and create a new password, or make the process quicker by signing up with your existing Google account. Opting for Google integration can save you some time and also make logging in easier in the future. To proceed with your free trial, completing your account registration is crucial. At this point, you'll need to enter your credit card details. Now, this might raise some eyebrows, but rest assured, Semrush requires these details to confirm your identity and ensure you have uninterrupted access to their premium features. There's no need to worry about unexpected charges. A temporary dollar authorization charge will be made to verify your card, but this amount will be refunded shortly afterward. Once your card is verified, congratulations! You now have full access to Semrush's premium features, absolutely free for the trial period. Use this time wisely to familiarize yourself with its amazing toolset, which ranges from keyword research and competitive analysis to traffic insights and much more. These features can greatly enhance your digital marketing strategies. It's a good idea to set reminders for when your trial is nearing its end. This way, you can decide if you want to continue with a paid plan or cancel it before any charges are applied. Enjoy diving into the world of Semrush's analytics tools and harness the full potential of this dynamic platform without any immediate cost. Thank you for watching and happy exploring. Hopefully this guide helped you easily master how to get Semrush Premium for free. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel PMN Online.